Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and before we will go to the specific section, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. So here in the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find About Tablet. Now let's tap on System Update, and as you can see, your device will check for the updates, and you can basically meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you the relevant information, just like here. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install, and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.